Hey guys, it's me Jalen, and if you hear noise in the background, I'm so sorry. My grandma, not my grandma, my family is watching stand-up comedy with my grandma, and they're going to be laughing. So sorry if you hear laughing. Well, anyway, today we are going to be making slime, and I'm not going to tell you what kind of slime we're making. You guys have to watch the whole video to find out how we make it and what ingredients we put in there, and then you guys have to comment down below what slime you think we made. Okay, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so first what you're going to start by doing is you're going to be taking a bowl, any kind of bowl, just a plain bowl, and taking some Elmer's glue. Does not have to be Elmer's, and it does not have to be a gallon. You need any school glue that has PVA in it. Yeah. And just pour however much you want in your bowl. I just have that much. By the way, if there's stuff in my bowl like that, I just got done making one batch of slime, but there's just a little specks of glitter, and then it was white slime, so it's okay. It wasn't white slime, it was purple slime, but this is the slime I just made. If you want to know how to make this slime, go check out my latest video. Okay, so then after that, this is when you're going to want to add your color. I don't know how much color I have left in this little paint tube of mine, so I'm going to have to go to color. Yeah, hold on. So I just got this hot pink paint. And you're just going to want to put your paint in. By the way, this is almost empty, so I'm not realizing that. That's why you can hear it running out, because it's almost. And then you're going to take I'm just using a plastic knife, something to mix with, and just mix all your paint in. Whoa, for a little bit of paint, this really makes the color pop. This is coloring it like crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. So yeah, just adding some color. Next, you're going to want to take some foaming soap, and yes, it has to be foaming. And you're just going to put like a lot of this in, probably like 15 pumps. Well, however much of this you want, it kind of just makes it like shiny and glossy, I guess. But it is part of the ingredients. I found this on Pinterest, by the way. Yeah, just keep mixing that in. And I'll be back when it's mixed. If you end up adding too much soap like I did, you can just simply add a little bit more glue, and it will go to normal. So yeah, this is my pink slime. Next, you're going to want to take some melted candle wax. Be sure to have a parent's permission. My grandma is right there in the living room. She's watching me. And supervision while doing this, because it is very hot. And simply just pour some in here into your slime. And it has to be melted or it will not work. Obviously it's going to choke up, but just keep adding it until all of it is gone that is in your container. There's no specific amount. Gonna make it like chunky. Then you're gonna have to take a little bit more glue and add it. Because you have to do this because it smooths it out with more glue. And then add 2 pinches of baking soda. So yeah, add 2 pinches and mix it up. And then take saline solution and pour it little by little. Okay, so I'm going to a little bit. You want to be sure that the candle you melt smells good. Because you're going to be putting it in your slime. Then you're going to take some contact lens solution and put it all over your hands. And rub it in with your hands because it's going to get all over your hands. Whoa. Contact lens solution on your hands, it won't stick as bad because the activator is on your hands. So here's the slime. And it's obviously not done. You're gonna want to just add some contacts. Keep adding contact lens solution until it turns into perfect slime and doesn't stick to you anymore. Slime's still a little sticky, but I like my slimes a little sticky. So this one's perfect. Low-key perfect. And then just keep mixing until all of it is slime. Now, kneading it with your hands does help. It will not turn into slime correctly if you do not knead it with your hands. Keep adding contact solution. I'm just getting it off my hands. And stirring it. Making sure that it's... Guys, if you can see here, I'm adding a little bit more glue because on the outside, like in the creases of it, it was not forming into slime for some reason. And then I added more glue and it's working now. Ew. And now it also needs more contact solution. Because if you can see, this is not slime, obviously. I got my hand kind of clean. Add some more contacts. So guys, this is my DIY candle slime. I'm just joking, this isn't how you make candle slime. Read the description. Bye!